It's a quick little Sephora haul. I don't know where to start. I already have the peach and the pink Dior blush. I got me the cherry and I also ordered the rosewood one. I think it is a formula that you appreciate more when you get a little bit older. It goes on fairly sheer, but it's buildable and looks so natural on the skin. And I have crazy makeup on today, but if you are more into a natural complexion, this is pretty. I think I will like this. The limited edition Fenty Butter Drop. I have the original. I absolutely love it. It is so rich and moisturizing. It makes your skin so soft. It smells so good. The Sol de Janeiro After Hours. It is not my favorite Sol de Janeiro, but anyways, I ended up buying it because it's limited edition. And I kind of like it. It's just not my favorite, but it's good. The Freck Beauty Freckle Pen. I had a mini. It is amazing. It is so cute. I got me the full size. And yes, this is the full size. I owned this maybe 4 years ago and I decluttered it. And I saw so many people using it on the eyelids. So I want to try that because I know the sparkle is just insane. I just did not want to wear it on my face back then. I don't know why I didn't think about wearing this on my eyes. Holy, it is so pretty. I regret that I decluttered her. But 4 years anyways, like don't wear makeup that long. You guys told me in my comment section to try the Sol de Janeiro body glow, so here we go. I really want to try the Patrick Ta Major Glow Balm. I'm signed up for email notification for half a year now and I didn't get a notification. If something is sold out at Sephora, sign up for the email notification and you will get first access before anyone else. That is so much prettier than the Kylie one. And they smell so good. A lot more glow. That is what I want from a body glow product. I really bought a lot of Fenty products that I already had before. I actually have quite a few of these blushes. Mine are just old and crusty, so I repurchased shade Poppin'. So pretty. 2 fragrances. I already know I love them both. They are so freaking good. They are so delicious, so sexy. Princess by Kilian. I had a sample of this. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. And Fenty. I had a sample and they're so freaking delicious. I really don't know which one to wear now. They are so good. Get your nose on them. I want Kilian. I should just have gotten the full size, but Kilian is really expensive. I already know I will get the Fenty in full size. Kind of. I just want to wear it for a while and see how it is on my body, but I think this will be a full size. And the body cream. Last one, the Milk Makeup Odyssey Lip Oil Gloss. That is pigmented. I will need a different lip liner with this, but it's so pretty. That's it. Have a good night.